What's up, guys? This is a brand new day and we have an electric skateboard to check out. This one's by a brand called Maxfind. This is going to be the Cyber Mini. I've been riding this thing for about a week now and I actually like it a lot. To check it out, it's got hub motors instead of a belt drive system. So I like it because it has like a little tail at the rear so you can like pivot pretty easily. It's just like very agile instead of a longboard where I feel like it's good on straightaways. This one you can turn pretty smooth. I like this skateboard because it doesn't have a huge amount of torque, especially on level 1. Like I can engage the throttle fully and it's not like overly powerful. So look, it's got 4 different levels. You just hit this mode button right here. We're currently in level 2. As you can see, we bumped it up to level 3 and then level 4. It's cool because it shows you your battery level on the remote control itself, and it also shows you the battery level on the skateboard. Right now we have it set to kilometers per hour, which is fine. I'm not really concerned about how fast I'm going, so I'm not gonna be looking at this screen too much, but you can always change it to miles per hour. I like riding in level 1, level 2. If you're a pro, you'll probably like 3 or 4. But trust me, it's fast enough in those levels. All right, guys, we are at the designated spot, about to perform this hill test on our Maxfind Cyber Mini. We're gonna put it in level 3 just because we're going up a hill, and let's see if we can handle this hill. Hopefully we don't have to push it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1, go. Gotta ease into it. This thing is fast. I'm not even fully engaged in the throttle, by the way. Oh yeah, it can handle a hill with ease. It's a steep hill, by the way. You guys see me put e-bikes on this hill. It's doing pretty good. Alright, now we're finally slowing down. We are in level 3. I wonder if we put it in level 4, could we go up the hill a little bit faster? We're still moving. This is a steep hill. There are rocks. Still going. Ooh, that was a big rock. Oh. I think if we put it in level 4, we could probably go up this hill. I'm not about to try it. I'm gonna stick to flat ground. I'm not gonna even ride this joint back down here. You got me messed up, dude. I'm gonna let this joint roll. So it does have a brake. If you pull back this lever right here, it'll come to a complete stop. This one's tight. I like the hub motor joints. I feel like the ones with the belt drive are just way too fast. Like, I'm only trying to go freaking 15 miles per hour max speed on this thing, dude. I ain't trying to go 30. Check it out on their website. It's maxfind.com. They got other electric skateboards. This is the mini one. They do have the long boards. They have a pro version of this one with like ambient lighting. This is the Maxfind Cyber Mini. I put the link to this one in the description. There you go. Look at David brand new with the ankle. Yeah. This one costs $399. This one has two 650 watt hub motors on the rear. 36 volts, 4.4 amp hour battery. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for hanging out with your boy, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Until then, deuces like that.